do to gain the most?
The thing that got me the most was the box. But since the box...
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Did this help you gain?
No, not really.
More for hand tricks?
Well, more for having something comfortable for my arm.
That's a good idea.
I seem to have vibrated my remote out of here somewhere.
Wow. So what's in here real quick?
Still got the same 4 ZV3 custom built 15s.
Okay.
Now I have 2 MD12Ks.
Okay. And one of them?
At one on each.
Okay.
And I still got the same 40 amp hour battery.
All right.
I did a few upgrades on the wire. I was switched over to OFC, but it really didn't pick up much from that.
What has been your major gain? What did you do to gain the most?
The thing that got me the most was the box.
Okay.
But since the box, I've found about 3 more numbers, 4 more numbers, so it's been pretty impressive.
Okay.
Just here and there, look, this gave me about a half a number.
Have you ever considered putting a brace in?
I tried a brace, but it brought me down.
Really? Okay.
I just think it was too, I think it made it too stiff. It just couldn't reverberate.
Okay.
161 now. The best I've got out of it was a 161.4.
Wow. What is your loudest dash score?
So far, I just metered myself the other day. It was 158.9 on the glass.
So close. So close.
I know. I've got a call out today on the glass against somebody who I know is doing a 59.8. So I'm hoping that something in the base guides will wake up for me today.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Thanks, man.
Thank you for taking another video.
Yes,
I appreciate it. I was so mad that I didn't get it last
Yeah,
time. When
it's all good.
I was waiting on the amp when you did the last
Yes,
one.
sir.
And I was like, man, I wanted to get it loud.
Wow. Can I see the back or is it broke?
Sure.
Awesome.
I can only open one door though.
Yep.
It's broke everything. Like,
but you made this solid a little, so I mean, it's
filled it all in with foam, foamed in around the rear AC.
Man, you've done some testing. Did you move the box up a little?
I have tried. The closer I got to the door, it brought it down, and if I go back, it doesn't. It stays the same for about an inch and a half, and then it'll start.
I'll give you one tip that you can try one day. Try to do a 45 right here.
Oh, okay. It'll come up against the door.
Something like this. I gained half a dB on my single swell doing that. Yeah, just by having something that made it slope up. So try
now, did you actually touch it to the back, or is it just?
It was just something that sat up.
Okay.
Because you're not gonna be able to seal it.
I'm gonna do that tonight.
Yeah, just try it.
Plywood at my hotel.
That's what I did. I had a piece of extra plywood. All right.
Get to the speed. Ace Capone. The homie Keith up. Get to the speed. Relax. I got your back, homie. Let's go.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.